Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to give you a house tour, but I'm also going to explain the process for getting a new home construction in the Massey community in Fort Mill by Taylor Morrison. Now, people have been reaching out wondering, how do I get in line for new construction? Every builder has its own process. Every community has its own process. And I wanted to give you a behind the scenes look on what it takes right now if you're interested to build a new construction home in Fort Mill in the Massey community by Taylor Morrison. Now, I want you to go into this with your eyes wide open. If you go under contract this month, in August or September, your home will not be ready until April, May, or June of 2022. Yes, unfortunately, we are that far out. So if you plan on buying a new construction home in 2022, right now, is the time to position yourself so you can buy a home in 2022. Real quick, let's go ahead and look at this model home. It is the Pikewood floor plan by Taylor Morrison. And after we're done with the tour, I will tell you how you can position yourself to be in line to buy a new construction home in this wonderful community in Fort Mill, South Carolina. We are heading inside the Pikewood floor plan. Now, this floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and is anywhere from 27 to 2,800 square feet. Now, in this community, the pricing for this floor plan presently, depending on your elevation, meaning the front of the home, is anywhere from $467 to $481, and that does not include the lot premium. What I like about this floor plan is, one, you have the primary suite downstairs, but also all the bedrooms have their own bathroom. This is the first bedroom. It will be a guest bedroom toward the front of the home. You see it has its own ensuite. You also have an office area right there as well that we saw when we first came in. You have a large laundry room. As we head into this kitchen, look at how large that island is. Oh my goodness. Now that island is perfect for entertaining, just having the whole family congregated around it. Tons of cabinet space. You have this open living. Here's the living room with the fireplace and the built-ins. Let's take another look at this kitchen, that large island. They went with the deluxe kitchen package with the built-in oven. Now we're going to another suite. You have this full bathroom right here, as well as this bedroom right here as well. I'm sorry, I said this model is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's actually a 4-bedroom, forgive me, and 4.5 bathroom. You have a covered porch. Now the stone section, that is additional. You can choose to add that, but come standard is this patio area that is covered. But then when you go upstairs, you have a deck right above that. It is truly amazing. Go inside the primary suite right now. Nice size room with the large dual vanity sinks in the owner's suite. They went with the extended shower with dual shower heads. Actually, those are 6 shower heads. And this is your primary suite closet. Now let's head upstairs where you have the bonus room as well as an additional bedroom and bathroom. Let's check out this deck. This is also covered with a fan. Talking about indoor outdoor living, you have that bonus area and this covered deck with a fan right off of it. Perfect for those fall nights here in North Carolina, South Carolina. This is your bonus area up here. Be sure to stick around because after this tour, I'll be sharing with you how you can position yourself to win one of the 8 lots that is available this month. This is the 4th bedroom. You have a walk-in closet and you will see that you have your own bathroom up here as well. This is the Pikewood floor plan. Also available in this community is the Essex, the Highland, the London. You will be seeing a lot more floor plans later on throughout the week as I put out videos for what you can get in this community. So, how did you like that property? I really like that huge island in the kitchen. And for the next couple days, I'll be releasing videos of various floor plans that you could build in this Taylor Morrison community. But before we worry about various floor plans, let me tell you how you can position yourself so you can reserve a lot and be in position to pick out your floor plan in this Massey community in Fort Mill. There will be 8 lots available for sale this month, and the lot premiums will range from $12,500 all the way up to $25,000. Taylor Morrison at Massey will be conducting a lottery for each lot. Now, in order to be considered for the lottery, between August 2nd through 17th, you have to go in for a pricing appointment. Now, if you don't want to go in for a pricing appointment, I have all the lots and their pricing right here. So you don't necessarily have to do that. You can reach out to me. We can get you set up to where you can avoid that step. Second step is you do need to get pre-approved with Taylor Morrison funding. Reach out to me. I can put you in contact with their funding department so you can take the necessary steps to get pre-approved with them. Now, you have to be pre-approved with Taylor Morrison funding by August 17th because the drawing is August 18th. Now, pricing for this release, depending on the floor plan you want, is right around $440,000 all the way up to $500,000, and that does not include the lot premium that you will have to add on, that additional $12,500 to $25,000. Now, again, not only do I have pricing for each lot, I have the pricing for each floor plan that they offer. So, quick recap. Between August 2nd through August 17th, we need to have an appointment regarding pricing. Now, by August 17th, you need to be pre-approved by Taylor Morrison funding. And on August 18th, there will be a lottery for each lot. And there's 8 lots available for this release. Between August 18th and August 19th, a community rep will be reaching out to you, letting you know if you won the lottery for that lot. And on August 20th, all the participants in the lottery will be notified that the lottery is closed. And then between August 20th through 27th, there will be contract appointments regarding each individual lot to lock down and secure what floor plan you want and what elevation, so you're totally comfortable regarding pricing and you can deliver your EMD at that time. Now, EMD is just your earnest money deposit. Now, Taylor Morrison, right now, they're asking 10% of the base purchase price to be deposited for their earnest money deposit. Now, even if you aren't selected in the initial drawing, don't lose hope, don't be in despair, because during the contract appointment phase between August 20th through the 27th, it's common. It's actually very common that people drop out or fall off because they decide they don't want to move forward with that lot, or they just don't have the earnest money deposit. That is why you need somebody like me to advocate for you and be in constant contact and communication with the reps for the community so we know we can just slide right in and take advantage of a situation. My contact number is on the screen. Feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you. Now, if you enjoy content like this and just behind the scenes regarding the real estate market and how to buy a home in the greater Charlotte area, please join the family. hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can be alerted when we drop new videos. Again, for the next 3 or 4 days, I'll be releasing floor plans that could be built in this Taylor Morrison community in Fort Mill. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.